Gnomans, as your great and smelly leader, I declare this land Gnoman-owned. Here is where we pitch camp. A bold change of plan. March on! I'm fine.
This is for the win. Booyah! You lose the game, you take the shame.
Excuse me, sir. Would you be kind enough to...
Do the voice.
Be kind enough to carry me across the street? Oh, hey, Dad. Son. Bah! I can't believe Jimmy made me wear this dress with those shoes. Outrageous! Long have we traveled from way over there to over here. And here is where we go. Behold the beast!
Stronger than the Colonel in muscle. And smell.
Did I say something? Hello? Beezy?
He calls himself the Beezy.
The age of the busy has begun. Behold our new leader.
Outside voice! Is that you?
Yo! Down here! Your wish is our command, oh massive and stinky one!
Wow, you guys are uselessly small. You like horseshoes? You guys ready?
Did you just say something?
Just talking to my feet. Get ready, feet. Here we go. Feet.
Yes! I win again.
Wait for it.
Onward, ho, Gnomans go!
It's all in the toes.
Never retreat! Never surrender!
In your face! What did you say? You lose the game, you take the shame. And don't forget the voice.
Thank you, sir.
Pleasure's all mine, man.
Fist bump.
Fist bump obey!
Rejoice! Your leader has returned.
We already have a new leader.
The age of the busy is upon us!
The lumpy one is not nearly as mighty as I. I laugh. Get ready for another game, boys.
Gnomans away!
Perhaps less laughing, more looking up.
Sweet!
Places!
Who are you talking to?
The pool balls. If you want to win, you have to think like the balls, Jimmy. Be the balls. Ready?
We won!
Change we to me. Me have won.
How did you do that? You don't even know how to play.
Apparently I do.
What do I have to do this time? I, Jimmy Two Shoes, hereby declare that BZJ Heinous is a better game player than me.
How much better?
This much better!
And...
Oh, I still like to cuddle with my
Jimmy!
teddy bear! Her name is Coco!
I don't see what's so funny.
Enough! Your mighty colonel is back! does it?
Go, Gnomon, go, go! Soon the giant and smelly Beezy will give us thanks!
Look at me play. Aren't I amazing?
Maybe not today, but soon!
I wouldn't count on it. Woo! Game! Beezy wins, and he did it all by himself. Dancing! Hola, 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 hola. Dancing, I am dancing.
Hey, little buddy. Aw. This isn't so bad.
I grow tired. Take me home. That way.
Are you going to let him do that to you?
No, I am not! Great! Now I'm hearing voices.
You are hearing the voice of Colonel Gnomon. My men are the ones helping your fiendish friend.
They are?
If only I could regain my strength, I could reclaim my rightful place as the great and most smelly leader.
Jimmy, you mad genius! How about the two of us form an alliance?
Splendid! Vengeance shall be ours!
Nice try, cheater!
No, you are.
Friends don't cheat friends.
Sure they do. Especially if it's easy and the other friend doesn't find out. Okay, which one of you ratted on me? Well,
I did!
Okay, I'm not seeing anything here, but something major reeks.
That's Colonel Reeks to you. Remember me?
No. Have we met?
I challenge thee, Beezy, for I am the stronger and smellier. Taste my glove.
Taste it better? Why don't you pick on someone your own size? You see what I did there? Because he's small and...
Wow!
Hey, Dad.
Son.
Long live the age of the Colonel!
Ha-ha! You lose the game. You take the shame. And don't forget the boys! I want more than scary. I want miserable scary. Scariest miserablous.
What? I'm listening.
Right?
Wow, that's annoying.
Here are the blueprints for the Henosaurus Rex. I want it to be the ultimate in outdoor park misery. Munch the kid, crunch the kid, relax the kid. Now that's design. How long are you going to keep doing that?
Why? Is my extreme discomfort bothering you?
A little. But not as much as this.
Hey, Heloise!
What do you want? I'm trying to work here.
I'm practicing my screaming voice! Listen!
Heloise!
Jimmy, what are you doing?
Oh, someone got up on the crabby side of the bed.
I am not being crabby. I just don't want to...
You know you're hiccuping, right? All I'm saying is someone's eating from the crabby side of the fridge.
I am not eating from the crabby... Ugh! What does that even mean?
She says all crabby-like. Have you ever thought of getting rid of your hiccups?
I have already tried the #1 foolproof, never fail method of getting rid of hiccups.
Which is?
Nasty hiccups go like that when you lick a purple cat.
Fuck!
And you don't think you're driving on the crabby side of the road?
Dude, are you still doing that irritating hiccup thing? Piñata! Candy?
We need to get Heloise some help.
To where we
always go.
Leave me alone.
Maybe we should go somewhere else.
Your friend has hiccups. Fact, she needs to get rid of them. Second fact, the solution is obvious.
She's already tried that. Anything else?
Drink water while standing on her head.
BZJ Heinous is on the job. How's that?
Still crabby?
Apparently.
When do I get my Henosaurus Rex?
When it's ready.
What did you say, Miss Krabby Pants?
I said when it's ready.
Krabby, Krabby, Krabby. Krabby, Krabby, Krabby. Krabby, Krabby, Krabby. Ah!
I've got to get rid of these hiccups.
Eureka! Hiccups can be scared out of the sufferer. Ask yourself, what is your friend most terrified of?
I know she hates taking baths.
That's you.
Right.
Don't worry, I'll figure something out. And it'll be super scary.
I'll go run the bath.
That's you.
Right.
Now where were we?
Heloise, wait!
Oh, it's you guys.
This'll scare poor Heloise for sure. Girls hate poodle rats. I'll open the door and you send it in. Wow, he's a testy one.
Here, boy. Here, boy. Isn't he cute? I'm gonna call him Bitey.
Good name.
Yeah.
sometimes be cured by a minor restriction of air.
Like this?
A little too much restriction. Much simpler. It's like holding one's breath, or even an extended kiss, perhaps?
Kiss?
Heloise? Ew! You kiss her.
No way! You kiss her!
There's no way I'm kissing her. Maybe she can just hiccup the rest of her life.
Hey, Jesse. Hi, baby. Yeah.
Oh, I'll do it. How hard can it be?
This should help.
If I don't make it, never forget me.
I won't, Billy.
It's Jimmy.
If you say so.
Finally, one last task.
Mwah. Heloise, hold still. Heloise, you seem so cold to touch, so icy. Mwah.
At last, my Halosaurus Rex is complete! Stop this at once!
Oh.
It wasn't me? No, hey, Heloise! There's a simple explanation. We were just trying to... For those of you who missed this bit of Jimmy Two Shoes history, may we present the Beezy Heloise kiss once more in slow motion.
Wait, my hiccups. They're gone. But I kissed Beezy.
Way to go, Beezy! You really took one for the team.
Well, I guess I do have a way with the ladies. Welcome to Miseryville. Let's go to a party, go crazy. Hey, 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 Jimmy Two Shoes. Hey, hey, Jimmy, Jimmy. I just wanna have some fun, just like everyone. I just wanna really tell downtown, Jimmy gets around. Hey, hey, Jimmy.
Mighty Gnomans, as your great and smelly leader, I declare this land Gnoman-owned. Here is where we pitch camp. A bold change of plan. March on.
I'm fine.
This is for the win. Booyah! You lose the game, you take the shame.
Excuse me, sir. Would you be kind enough to...
Do the voice.
Be kind enough to carry me across the street?
Oh, hey, Dad.
Son.
Bah! I can't believe Jimmy made me wear this dress with those shoes. Outrageous!
Long have we traveled from way over there to over here. And here is where we were.
Behold the beast!
Stronger than the Colonel in muscle. And smell.
Did I say something? Hello? Beezy?
He calls himself the Beezy. The age of the Beezy has begun.